Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. Today's webinar topic will be an interesting indicator. It is called Arun indicator. And it is basically a trend identification indicator. Just like the ADX indicator, it will tell you whether there is a trend in the market. So it will not initially tell you the direction of the market, but basically it will tell you whether there is a trend in the market or not. So if you know whether there is a trend in the market or not, it will be easier for you to work, to trade. So before I start, you know that I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I am the founder of stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit me on my website stockmaniacs.net. And I am also authorized marketing partner of Zerodha. And I am also associated with few other stockbrokers like 5paisa, Upstocks, Fires. So you can also join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID to +91 96743 21856. So let us start the webinar. The first question that will come to our mind is, what is Arun indicator? So Arun indicator was introduced by Mr. Tushar Chande. So if you know the actual purpose of the indicator, let us break down the meaning of it. So what Chande did, he has taken the word Arun from Sanskrit. So the word Arun is a Sanskrit word which means dawn's early light. So the first light of the dawn is called Arun. In technical analysis also, the indicator is used to identify the beginning of a new trend. So it is an Arun in the trend. So it is the beginning of a new trend. Though the indicator is almost similar like other momentum oscillators, it has its own strategies. So let us start from the very basics, how the indicator forms and how it works. So how does the Arun indicator form? The indicator is formed with two lines. One is a red line known as the Arun down, and other one is the green line known as the Arun up line. Here the up line measures uptrend while the down line measures the downtrend. The period of the indicator can be changed according to the requirement. So now let me see how we can attach the indicator to a chart. So this is Zerodha Kite chart. If you do not have an account in Zerodha or you have access to the Kite platform, I'll give you a link of joining in Zerodha in the video description box. So from there you can join Zerodha and you can get this trading terminal called Zerodha Kite. So I assume that you are already having Zerodha Kite. So let us attach the Arun indicator. In the studies, here are the studies section. In the studies you will get the indicators. So we have already covered till the alligator indicator. So today our topic is Arun. So we will be going to attach the Arun indicator. Yeah, you can see the default period is 14. So the default period is 14. You can change it to according to your style, and the colors can also be changed. I will keep the default color. Arun up color is green and Arun down color is red. So if I click on the done button, the indicator will be attached to the chart. Similarly, we can attach the indicator to the Upstocks Pro platform also. Once again, I'll leave a link to join the Upstocks in the video description box. So either of the terminals you can have. I'll suggest you to first have Zerodha. If you do not have Zerodha or you do not want to get Zerodha, in that case you can also get Upstocks. So in the Upstocks chart also you can maximize the chart, and here is the indicator section. So in the indicator section you can click on the Arun. So the same period is 14. Arun up color is green, Arun down color is red. You can click on apply and the indicator will be applied to the chart. So now let us go back to the slide. So how does the Arun indicator work? A long position is created when the green line or the Arun up line starts moving up from the 0 lines and the red line or the Arun down line starts falling from the 100 marks. So it is a crisscross type of thing. The green line starts moving up and the red line starts moving down. The long position is closed when the green line starts coming down from the 100. A strong downtrend is when the green line touches 0 and the red line touches 100. So it is showing a strong downtrend when the red line is at 100 and the green line is at 0. So what is a strong uptrend? The green line is at 100 and the red line is at 0. So both these lines should be at the opposite side. There are many more strategies which can help you to identify the trend with more accuracy. So I will now show you the Arun in action on the Zerodha platform. So as I told you that when the green line is above the red line, it is an uptrend, and when the red line is above the green line, it is a downtrend. But it is not a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend unless and until the lines are at opposite direction. Means one line should be at 100 and the other line should be at 0. And a prolonged period, if the lines stays in one direction, in that case it is a strong trend. So now let us see. So from the chart we can see that whenever the red line crosses above the green line, it is start of a downtrend, and similarly whenever the green line crosses above the red line, it is start of a uptrend. And the strong trend is when these lines are above each other. Suppose here the green line has crossed the red line, but this has never crossed back. So this is basically a strong trend. This is basically a strong trend. And when these two lines move very close to each other, this is a very weak trend. This is a downtrend because the red line is above the green line, but this is not a strong downtrend because this line is these two lines are moving close to each other. So this is a strong uptrend because these lines have not crossed back each other for a long time, and this is a very weak downtrend because these lines are moving side by side and it has crossed very fast. Now let us check the Arun indicator on another stock. I will prefer here Nifty. We will take the index and we will check how you can trade the Arun indicator using some other indicators or using some other settings. So from the studies, I am going to attach the Arun indicator, and instead of the default 14 period, let me make it 21 period. Click on done. So you can see now the trend is much more clear because we have made a higher setting. From here the uptrend has started, so you can create a buy position over here. You can see from this buy position the market has gone up quite a bit, so you can make good amount of profit here. This is the downtrend, start of a downtrend. Once again from the start of a downtrend the market has gone down quite a bit, so you can make some amount of money over here also. This is the start of a uptrend. It has not performed that much well. The market has actually moved sideways. But then once again this is a downtrend, started the downtrend. From here you can see the market has initially moved up, but it could not sustain over there, and after that the market has fallen a lot. So it is a huge amount of money can be made here. So instead of the default 14 period, if you can tweak the settings, if you can tweak the periods to 21, you can get much more stable signals. So this is the power of the Arun indicator. And now I will show you how you can mix and match between Arun and other indicators. So this is for short-term traders. From the studies, let us take my favorite indicator, RSI. So the RSI default setting is 14, but let me make it 2. So this is a very short period of RSI. Click on done. So you can see here the market is bullish because the Arun up is above the Arun down. So market is bullish for a long time. But if I do not know whether to enter later, because suppose I have missed this trend, I have not entered here. This was the start of the trend, so I have not entered here. Now when can I enter later? Use the RSI indicator. We know that the market is bullish, so RSI indicator cannot be at the oversold position for a long time. Whenever the RSI comes oversold, take an entry. This is a very low risk pullback kind of entry. You can see from this entry the market has gone up. So this is how you can lock in your profits using Arun and other indicators. Once again, suppose let us find other thing. Suppose here we know that the market is bearish because the Arun down is above the Arun up. RSI has moved on the overbought position. We know that the market is bearish, so the RSI cannot stay overbought for a long time. You can see the market has stayed for a few days stagnant, and after that there is a huge fall. Once again there is a huge fall. So you can make good amount of money if you can mix and match between these two indicators. Now see another instance. Arun is still bearish. RSI moves up once again. Simply short the market because the RSI cannot be there, the price cannot be there. It has to come down because the Arun is bearish. So you can see once again you are making good amount of money. The market is falling like a hill. Once again you see that the market is bearish. You know that the market is bearish. RSI once again shoots up. Short the market. You can make good amount of money over here. So market is bearish, RSI shoots up. Short. So this is how you can make multiple entries using the Arun and the RSI. These are the secret techniques how you can trade the Arun using other indicators. You can trade Arun alone because you can buy here, you can sell back after making profits, or you can short here, you can buy back after making profits, you can trade with some targets. That is possible. But if you can mix and match between Arun and some other indicators, you can make good amount of money, my dear friends. So friends, I have written a blog post on the Arun indicator, on the secret settings. Some other settings has been shown here. So if you can visit this blog post, I'll give you the link of the blog post in my video description. So there I have given a PDF file that you can download and you can read. That will contain more strategies on the Arun indicator. So this is the PDF file. Where the PDF file is, you need to use any of the social share buttons. Either you need to tweet, or you need to share on Facebook, or you need to subscribe me on YouTube to download this ebook. So friends, if you liked this video, please hit the like button in the video and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also join my trading team To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID to +91 96743 I'll repeat you the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 So thank you, my dear friends, for watching this webinar till the end. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days. Use these indicators, use it as you like, follow my strategies, and if you have any comments, have any questions, do not forget to ask me in the comment section below the video. So friends, thanks a lot once again. Bye bye.